Alright, hi everyone! Today in Integrated Math 1, we're going to go over Chapter 5, Lesson 2. So here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. Alright, so I'm going to do two examples here, and I'm going to show you the difference between these two. Alright, so let's do the first one here. I'm going to write it, negative 14h minus 56. And let's try this other one too. So I'm going to say this one is 14h, which is less than 56. So we're going to start with the second one and move back to the first so you see the difference between them. I'm going to box your h, divide both sides by 14. When you divide both sides by 14, you're going to get that it's 4. 4 times 4 is 4 times 14 is 56. This sign is not going to change. It's going to remain less than. When we have our set notation, we're going to say h, set of h must be less than 4. But now let's try this other one. So I'm going to box h. That means I'm going to divide both sides by negative 14 in this case. So h, and this will be negative 4. But what's different is that this sign is going to flip. So it's going to become a greater than this time. And I would say my set notation would be h, set of h, and h must be greater than negative 4. Alright, so let's just plug in some numbers to check the solutions, because you're probably still wondering why we switch our sign. So let's check out negative 14, and h has to be greater than negative 4. Well, a number greater than negative 4 is 0, so I like that one. Always use 0 when you can. Just makes it easier. So 0, because negative 14 times 0 is 0, is less than 56. That is a true statement. Alright, so let's check our solution here. H must be less than 4. So 14 times number less than 4, still 0. That works for this case as well. And it must be less than 56. 0 is less than 56. That is also true. So both of these solutions for each of their equations are correct. The difference is, for when you are dividing both sides by a negative, you have to flip the sign. So I'll make a little note here. When you divide both sides by a negative, the sign flips. And if it doesn't, it just stays the same. And there we go.